Welcome to the ChatGPT channel, where we explore how to use artificial intelligence to improve our productivity in both professional and personal life. Our channel features a wide range of topics, including using ChatGPT with Excel, Google Spreadsheets, Word, Google Docs, PowerPoint, Google Slides, programming, and project management. In addition to that, we offer tips on using ChatGPT to improve your social media strategy and scheduling posts, learn new languages and practice speaking skills, write compelling ad copy and marketing materials, track expenses, create budgets, and manage finances, conduct research, write papers, and improve writing skills, improve customer support and response times, create workout plans and meal plans, track mood, journal, and practice self-care, plan and book travel arrangements, and discover new movies, TV shows, books, and music based on personal preferences. Our videos are designed to provide actionable advice on how to use ChatGPT to improve your productivity in a variety of settings. Whether you're a business professional, student, or just looking to improve your personal life, our channel has something for everyone. In today's fast-paced world, productivity is essential. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that uses natural language processing to help individuals and businesses increase their productivity. With its ability to process and analyze large amounts of data, ChatGPT can help users make better decisions, save time, and automate repetitive tasks. Excel and Google Spreadsheets are powerful tools that are commonly used in businesses to manage data. Our channel features videos on how to use ChatGPT with Excel and Google Spreadsheets to improve productivity. By using ChatGPT with these tools, you can automate tasks, analyze data, and generate reports quickly and accurately. Word, Google Docs, PowerPoint, and Google Slides are commonly used for writing and presentations. Our channel features videos on how to use ChatGPT with these tools to improve your writing skills, automate document creation, and create compelling presentations. Programming and project management are essential skills in today's tech-driven world. Our channel features videos on how to use ChatGPT to improve your programming and project management skills. ChatGPT can help you automate tasks, generate code, and manage projects more efficiently. Social media is a powerful tool for businesses to reach customers and promote their products and services. Our channel features videos on how to use ChatGPT to improve your social media strategy and scheduling posts. With ChatGPT, you can generate content ideas, schedule posts, and analyze your social media data more effectively. Learning a new language can be challenging, but with ChatGPT, it can be easier. Our channel features videos on how to use ChatGPT to learn new languages and practice speaking skills. ChatGPT can help you generate conversation topics, practice pronunciation, and improve your language skills. Marketing and advertising are critical to the success of any business. Our channel features videos on how to use ChatGPT to write compelling ad copy and marketing materials. With ChatGPT, you can generate new ideas, analyze data, and create effective marketing campaigns. Managing finances is essential for individuals and businesses. Our channel features videos on how to use ChatGPT to track expenses, create budgets, and manage finances. ChatGPT can help you analyze your spending, generate reports, and manage your finances more effectively. Research and writing are essential skills for students and professionals. Our channel features videos on how to use ChatGPT to conduct research, write papers, and improve writing skills. With ChatGPT, you can generate ideas, analyze data, and write more effectively. Customer support is essential for businesses to provide excellent service to their customers. Our channel features videos on how to use ChatGPT to improve customer support and response times. With ChatGPT,